I feel like I meet women in the trades who are really skilled all the time through different avenues. So I think that our presence is only going to be stronger because I know that there are a lot of people like passionate about it already or kind of like thinking to make that step and looking for opportunities. I think Sam Beauford plays a role in helping women get in the trades by like showing them it's not just a hobby. It's not just like DIY. It is a career. And as soon as you're here, you're treated like you're someone going into a career field, like a job. So I think that helps just, yeah, women and anyone that's like underrepresented see their full possibilities. If you don't have a diversity of people and backgrounds in a art form or a trade, that trade is not being pushed to its like furthest limits. Like you're not getting every perspective, you're not getting every idea. Only like male dominated shops and stuff, you are just limiting yourself in the ways that you can't even imagine yet. So yeah, I came to the program with basically zero experience. I didn't know how to use a drill. I used a chisel like one time, and I was just like, well, I'm going all in. I'm buying all the tools. I'm taking a year of my life. And that gamble that I made was like paid off when I come here, and it's like a very, very welcoming environment, and like every student is treated like they have potential. For me, like being a woman, I wasn't like really socialized around tools, and a lot of women are not. But I think here I'm given the space and the time to learn everything like from zero. And that has only made me feel like more confident. I think something that was really important to me was that the school be a place where everybody was welcome. And I definitely saw that with the veterans program and then the classes geared towards women and non-binary people. I was like, oh, this is like, they're trying to be a space for everybody. That doesn't happen without trying. Like, you have to put an effort for that. And I saw that Sam Beauford was putting in that effort.